Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are doing an install on this Crye stretch cummerbund. I already started doing some work, so I took off my back pouch and I took off my front piece because I'm also going to update the front as well. But here you can see the old cummerbund, and you had to pull this out, and then you just pull these two out off of the sides that are looped through these pieces right here and here. But yeah, this is a stretch cummerbund, so this already has pouches here, which is really cool. Basically, these are held in with a 3 straps. You're going to pull them out as such, unloop them, and you'll repeat this on the other side as well. But it goes through and then up on through both sides. And that's basically it. So that's step 1, is we're going to remove all the bags in the back, any additional pouches you have on top, and then you're going to remove the factory cummerbund here. And then next you're going to unloop these straps. Alright guys, so now that each side of the cummerbund has these retaining straps off, what we're going to do now, we're going to flip your plate carrier. Going to flip your plate carrier over back to the front. Going to open up this pouch right here. So now that that flap is open, you're going to take the front of each of these and put them out here. So now that you know where it fits, seal this flap back up, flip it around so that when you loop these straps through the back here, you know how much to adjust to maintain like everything to be tight. So now we're going to work on that. Alright guys, so now I looped everything through. I'm going to test fit it. I tried to make it as equal as possible. The bottom row is not as equal as the top or the middle, but we're going to see how it goes. Going to test fit it, see how it fits, and then I'm going to adjust the tightness as necessary. So everything fit pretty good. I'm going to loosen up the right side a little bit, but other than that, everything fits as it should. I hope this guide helps you. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys like to see next. Stay safe out there.